Your Child with CK. This is Chaitali, the school psychologist, and today I am going to talk about why the first 7 years of child's life are crucial. The information which I am going to share is very important, so please make sure that you will watch this video till end. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. So let's get started. When it comes to child development, it's been said that the most crucial milestones of child's life occur by the age of 7. In fact, the great Greek philosopher Aristotle once said, "Give me a child until he is 7 and I will show you the man." So all of we know that during this early age, the brain of a child develops rapidly. And before your child turns 3 years old, they are already forming 1 million neural connections every minute. It means every minute of your child's life during this early age counts in child development. And later, the links of these neural connections become the brain's mapping system, formed by the combination of nature, that is inborn abilities, and nurture, the exposure or environment which they get. And these neural connections are like the roots of a tree, the foundation from which all growth occurs. And these first 7 years of child's life are important because they are the roots that shapes child's future health, happiness, growth, holistic development, the relationship with family and community, and even the relationship with life itself, learning at a school. So what exactly happens during this early 7 years? How do they learn? Actually, during these first 7 years, the brain of a child is in hypnotic state. They are not individual thinkers. They cannot think by their own because the thinking or the logical thinking is not developed yet. So, the first 7 years, they just observe and download everything into their brain. And as I said, the thinking of a child is not yet developed. They cannot select the program to download by their own. They cannot differentiate within good things and bad things, within positive things and negative things, within positive beliefs and negative beliefs. They cannot differentiate. They just observe and store everything into the brain. Nature has given these first 7 years to just download and install everything into the brain, and the 95% of child's life is depend upon that program which are downloaded and installed during these early 7 years. To become a functional member of a family and community, we need to understand and follow some rules, regulations and manners which children don't know about. So what they do, they observe their parents, siblings, neighbors, community members, and learn. And in this way, child learn the every behavioral characteristics which is needed to become a functional member of family and community. During this early age, the brain's primary function is to observe and imitate. So during this age, children are very good observers and imitators. Mostly they observe and imitate their primary caregivers, whoever they are. So if you notice, they try to talk like us, they try to walk like us, even they copy our tonality of voice and they copy our behaviors as well. And as a parents, it's our responsibility to give them something great to observe and imitate. Because consciously they cannot select which programs should be downloaded and which should not be. Also, during this early age, the personality of your child is forming, and it is in your hands to give them best programs to download, to train their subconscious mind, to develop their personalities, to inculcate good habits within them, and to make them ready to enter into the world with a strong wings of a confidence. There are various aspects on which you as a parent or guardian need to work on during this early age of your child. So in next video we will see which are those aspects and how we can help our child to develop. Till then, bye.